Is it time to buy or sell SoundHound AI stock? In this video, we will explore SoundHound AI in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 26th of June 2025, and now we are here to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any essential updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide, available today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 25th of June, 2025, our system has categorized SoundHound AI as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -2.11. Now, let's examine the stock's performance throughout this period. Interestingly, the stock has outperformed our system's predictions, showing a gain of 3.66%. This equates to an average return of 1.83% per day since being labeled as a sell candidate. The stock currently resides in the midst of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, with indications of further increases within this trend. Analyzing the 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 20.15% over the upcoming 3 months, with a possible return fluctuating between 9.54% and 54.56%. Shifting to a longer time frame, our 12-month analysis points to a projected change of 35.25%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 19.32% to 279.17% in the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price between $11.84 and $37.61. Our latest daily update for SoundHound AI includes the headline, Green Day on Thursday for SoundHound AI Inc. The SoundHound AI Inc. stock price increased by 3.66% on the last trading day, Thursday, the 26th of June, 2025, rising from $9.57 to $9.92. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 6.26%, with a low of $9.59 and a high of $10.19. The price has shown some volatility during this period, resulting in a gain of 1.85% over the last 2 weeks. Additionally, the volume of shares traded increased on the last day, which, along with the price rise, is a positive technical indicator. In total, 3 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, leading to a total of 37 million shares changing hands for approximately $362.17 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock reached $24.98, while the lowest price was $3.82. Currently, the price stands at 60.29%, or $15.06, below the 52-week high of $24.98, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. SoundHound AI, trading under the ticker SOUN, finds itself at a pivotal moment in the rapidly changing voice AI landscape. As of June 26, 2025, the company is locked in a competitive struggle with Cerence, a battle essential for its growth trajectory. Both companies are striving to not only dominate the automotive sector, but also to branch out into other markets, with SoundHound demonstrating notable momentum. This competitive environment may impact investor sentiment and stock performance in both the immediate and distant future. After witnessing an extraordinary gain of 1,024% in 2024, SOUN stock has encountered difficulties this year, declining by more than 52% in 2025. While some analysts view this downturn as a potential buying opportunity, others advise caution, labeling the stock as risky despite its impressive past performance. In the context of broader market trends, the AI sector continues to be one of the most promising themes for investment, with many analysts predicting substantial growth in the years ahead. This could spark increased interest and a potential recovery for SoundHound stock as the adoption of its technology expands. Overall, while short-term volatility may dissuade some investors, the long-term outlook for SOUN, as part of the AI boom, could present significant potential for those willing to navigate the inherent risks in this dynamic market. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 18th of September 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned SOUN a underperform grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 18th of September 2024, it was reported that Wedbush assigned SOUN a buy grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 18th of September 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned SOUN a buy grade with a hold action. On Friday, the 9th of August 2024, it was reported that Wedbush assigned SOUN an outperform grade with a hold action. On Friday, the 9th of August 2024, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald assigned SOUN an overweight grade with an upgrade action. Analysts have assigned SoundHound AI stock a general strong sell rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also provide the stock with a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for SoundHound AI. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume is rising along with the price, which is considered a positive technical signal. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact short-term developments. The stock of SoundHound AI Inc. currently holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. At the same time, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this results in a more negative forecast for the stock. If the stock continues to rise, it will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $10.01. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find some support from the short-term average at $9.59. A breakout above the long-term average will generate another buy signal, while a decline below the short-term average will produce an additional sell signal, further reinforcing the overall trend. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, May 14th, 2025, and since then, the stock has fallen by 15.65%. Further declines are indicated until a new bottom pivot has been established. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots suggest a sell signal was generated 30 days ago. The short-term moving average has indicated a buy signal 6 days ago. Conversely, the long-term moving average has pointed to a sell signal 13 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages produced a buy signal 12 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see the short moving average has indicated a buy signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average provided a sell signal 92 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages generated a buy signal 78 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for SoundHound AI. SoundHound AI Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $9.74. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. The stock demonstrates average movements throughout the day, and with a healthy trading volume, the risk is deemed to be medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 60 cents between its high and low, representing a change of 6.26%. In the past week, the stock exhibited a daily average volatility of 6.56%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for SoundHound AI, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors outside their control. However, persistent negative PE ratios may raise concerns about inadequate profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 14th of August, 2025. Analyst consensus estimates stand at -6 cents. It is important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SoundHound AI. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SoundHound AI is at $11.01. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SoundHound AI encounters its first support level at $9.74. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for SoundHound AI from multiple analyst sources is categorized as a strong sell. Let's explore some recent insider trades. On the 24th of June 2025, Sroka Diana executed an insider sale of 2,800 shares of Class A common stock. On the 20th of June 2025, Mohajer Kivan conducted an insider purchase of 240,000 shares of Class A common stock. On the 20th of June 2025, Mohajer Kivan also executed an insider sale of 122,712 shares of Class A common stock. Additionally, on the 20th of June 2025, Mohajer Kivan sold 131,664 shares of Class A common stock. On the same date, Emami Majid conducted an insider purchase of 80,000 shares of Class A common stock. Analyzing the most recent 100 insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 23.774. In total, insiders acquired 4,791,868 shares and sold 6,912,481 shares in the last 100 trades. We hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is SoundHound AI stock a good buy? SoundHound AI Incorporated presents several concerning signals, leading us to believe it will continue to perform poorly in the upcoming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative outlook on this stock. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is inflated. For trading on Friday, the 27th of June, we anticipate that SoundHound AI will open lower by 2 cents and begin trading at $9.90. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the buying or selling of securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.